Yeah, I'm there.
I'm timing out.
Are you really?
Time me out.
Man, why do they always
I'm
fucking
about to sign
cheat?
up. Fucking live switching me.
Nah, he's literally IP flooding
You
you.
there? You there?
Yeah, I'm here. Jeez,
Here.
I can't. You're timing out, son.
Can you hear me?
Nope. Yes, I can. Mamba's getting IP flooded right now. Yep. See, look at that. We win 4-1 first map. Suddenly we all one bar. And then suddenly he times out. That one bar is definitely... Piece of fucking shit. Like, I'm so done with IP flutters. End it. End it. You guys fucking cheated. I'm reporting 2-0. You IP